Hey, Nino Perez here. Today I'm going to do a deep dive into HurcuList. HurcuList is a very popular site. It's a site that gets a lot of traffic, and it's a site that's been around for a long, long time, and it's very reputable. It's basically like a solo ad slash email kind of a platform, and you'll see up here. You can have prime ads, the zones, specials, and the first thing you're going to notice when you log into this, like I said, this gets a lot of traffic and it's a popular site and it does really well for people who are marketing with this. But I do want to say that it is a little choppy and it can be a little bit on the overwhelming side, and but patience, but I'm going to show you what I mean here. So log into members. Okay. Now, there's a lot of pop-ups here, a lot. And you kind of have to navigate yourself around. So you're going to have to submit ads here somewhere. And then, okay, there's another pop-up. So these are pretty well. This is a prime ad. There's another, yeah. So you're going to see a lot of pop-ups as you try to navigate. But that's what makes it so successful, is because people have their ads here, and they're paying for these ads, right? And they're paying for these ads, and obviously they work because it's been around for a long time. But like I said, it gets a little bit choppy if you're trying to navigate. But when you go to use it, and you go to pay for some of the services, it actually works out pretty good. So let's let me see if I can show you. Okay, so yeah, so there's you can unsubscribe, you can upgrade, you can submit ads, solo zones. They have an affiliate. You can earn credits. There's affiliate tools. Let me show you some affiliate tools. Okay, so they give you splash pages, banners, text ads, all sorts of tools that you can insert into your emails or to your traffic exchanges or safe lists. There's some banners. There's some banners. Okay, so you're going to get a lot of tools, text ads. I don't even know why people would copy a text ad. Just use your own text ad. But anyway, there's some ideas if you like doing that, texting people. Let's see, what kind of logos? I've never seen logos. Oh, okay, so you can put a logo up on your, I guess, blog if you don't have room for a banner. Okay. Let's go into, let's try ad mailers. We're going to go through these one at a time and see what they are. Yeah, so there's another ad. So yeah, so this is pretty well like, okay, so I think there's another one. Okay, that was the blurb. Okay, so so this targets the mailing lists of each member, or of members, I guess, right? Okay, now Prime. What is Prime now? Prime. There's a Prime ad special. Okay. Immediate traffic. Okay, this is usually the one that I buy. I buy some of these. Usually, yeah, that's not bad. 10,000 visitors. So I guess this is like an ad blast, or I don't know if it's an email. Where does it go? Embedded. Okay, so your website is embedded in the HurcuList site. Okay, so it probably goes out to the subscribers, right? Okay, so we're at Prime. Let's go to the zone. What's a zone? Actually, let's go back. Wait a second. Okay, wait. So the zone for every site you view. Okay, so this is like a traffic exchange, I think. Yeah, so this is like a traffic exchange. So you click on the next zone. Yeah, okay, so people who like traffic exchanges, you can use that as well. Okay. Go back to home. Okay, so this is a little bit choppy. Okay. There's a prime ad again. No, we don't want that. I want that. Where were we? Prime? We are prime? Yeah, so let's take a look at the prime prices. Yeah. We send traffic directly to your website. No ads, banners needed. Okay, so this, yeah. So all you do is add a link, and then boom, 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 boom. So you're getting real visitors. They've got a $300 package, 50,000. They've recommended 10,000 for 120, 90 for 30. The blurb. I think the blurb comes along the side here. This is what the blurb is right here. Okay. So let's see what it says. You currently have 2,700 credits. Okay, your current cost is. I don't want to keep package anyway. Okay, so that's probably what a blurb is. Okay. Now let me show you the affiliate program. Affiliate program, I think, yeah. So you can also get affiliates for this, and it's not a bad idea. You know, create some affiliates and earn some commissions where you could advertise. This is taking a little bit too long. Okay. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick update of you know, this HurcuList site, and want to add it to your arsenal. It's a great idea. Like I said, I've used this, and it works really, really well. And yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and the links will be down below. And we'll see you on the other side.